guys, it's Brittany Lanice and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how I did this look for you guys. It's a 2-in-1. It's a hair tutorial and a makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Alright, I'm starting my hair off in 4 sections. 2 in the front, 2 in the back. And pay attention to the time, guys. Notice what time I start to finish. Next, I'm going to go into the SIM leave-in conditioner. And I am going to place this in my first section. And then I'm going to comb it out thoroughly. I like to use SIM leave-in conditioner because it is a lightweight conditioner and it does not leave my hair feeling heavy or anything. And I did freshly wash my hair. Now I'm going to divide my hair into medium parts, getting ready for my Flexi rod. My hair is more on the finer side, so I like to take bigger sections for more volume, but my hair is thicker in the middle. My styling product will be Nairobi foaming lotion. I'm only going to use 1 pump to smooth out my first section. So I really love this wrapping lotion. It leaves a phenomenal silky sheen look. And it leaves my hair feeling so soft and so smooth, and my curls are definitely bouncy. So I do recommend this product, and it doesn't leave your curls hard at all, and it provides a great hold. And then now with my rat tail comb to smooth out the section before I go in with my Flexi rod. Pay attention to how I like to roll my hair. So I like to smooth the roller down to the end. Then I like to wrap the end of my hair around the Flexi rod and smooth it. Then I'm going to roll in the upward motion. Then I'm going to twist. Roll, twist, roll, and roll up to my scalp. And I'm going to bend the Flexi rod at each end to hold in place. And I'm going to repeat this process for each section. I like to do the twisting motion because it leaves a looser curl. I'm really not a big fan of the tighter curls. I like my hair to be very loose so I can retain my length. Smooth the Flexi rod to the end of my hair. Wrap the end of my hair around the Flexi rod and smooth it. Then I'm going to roll and twist, roll and twist, roll and twist, and roll to the scalp. about 2 hours to put all of the rollers in. Now I'm going to take my blow dryer attachment hood and I'm going to sit up under it for about 2 hours. Now let's get into the makeup. For my primer, I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I'm going to prime my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend out the concealer, and then I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder to set it. For my transition color, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Warrior No. 1 palette, and I'm taking the color Kano into my crease. Now I'm using the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going into that second color at the bottom. It's not really a name for it, but I'm going to put that in my crease as well and blend it out. Now taking the color Mino in the Warrior palette, I'm going to put that into my crease to darken it up.
That's good.
Going back into the Nubian, I'm going to take the first shade at the bottom row, and then I'm going to take the third shade in the bottom row, and I'm going to put the first shade down first and then the second shade on top of that first shade to create this pretty brown color, kind of a copper. I'm just taking my blending brush to just blend out my transition colors. Now I'm just applying my eyeliner. Now I'm taking my Eloise Illuminating Drops in the color Gold Getter. I really love to use this up under my foundation. It really brings out that glow in my skin. Now I'm going in with my foundation Too Faced in the color Tiramisu. For my highlight, I'm going back in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn up under my eyes, on my nose, in my cupid's bow, on my chin, and on my forehead. I like to spray a little bit of MAC Fix Plus onto the tip of my Real Technique sponge to help blend out my concealer. Now I'm using my Sacha Buttercup powder to set all of my highlights. Using Bobbi Brown's eyeshadow in Black Plum to contour my face, my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline. Then going back with that Sacha Buttercup to reverse contour up under my cheekbone contour. Now I'm using my MAC Studio Fix in the color NW55 to sweep away all that excess powder and blend everything in together. Now I'm taking my favorite bronzing palette by Beauty Bakery called Coffee and Coca in the color Anti-Depresso, and I'm just going to bring color back into my face over all my contour areas. For blush, I'm using MAC Raisin. Taking my Juvia's Place Saharan palette in the color Chad, I'm going to smoke out my lower waterline, and then I'm going to go over my eyeliner to kind of give that smoky look.
That's good.
Setting my face with MAC Fix Plus. I'm going in with this bold red by Too Faced, and it's in the color Lady Balls. The Warrior palette in the color Idea to highlight my inner tear ducts. Now going in with my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the color LeBron's by Jackie Aina, and I'm just going to glow for the gods, darling. I love a good highlight, y'all. Now, after a good 8 hours of setting my rollers, they are completely dry. I'm going to take them out just in time for my date. To take out my rollers, I'm just going to unwind them in the opposite way. Now I'm going to gently separate my curls. I'm trying to separate them in the natural way that they want to part. If a curl looks like this, I just gently twist it around my finger to create that spiral. Now taking my pick, I'm just going to gently fluff. I'm just taking my hair at the root. I'm not pulling all the way through. This helps to create volume. And guys, my hair feels extremely soft. And look at that shine. Now taking my TGIN gel to smooth out my edges and apply my bobby pin, and I'm going to be using my handy dandy toothbrush again. I just wanted to let y'all know what I do with my hair at night. So at night before I go to bed, I will just put all of my hair up into a pineapple at night and put my bonnet on and go to sleep. And then in the morning, I will just fluff it back out. Also guys, another way to reserve the style that I like to do probably on my third day hair is I like to just grab a section. It doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be big, and I just take a flexi rod and wrap it loosely around it, and yeah, that's what I do like third day, so I can keep my curls. And this hairstyle normally lasts me about a week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed and it's your first time here with us, why not join the family and click that subscribe button right below. And don't forget to thumbs up this video, guys, if you like it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.